YouTube channel. I know it's been forever, but I'm going to be recreating this look I did 3 years ago. This look, I might not be recreating it, I'll just be doing something similar to it because I posted that video 3 years ago, and then the first year I know it got like, let's say 200 or 300 views, but right now it's currently 2.4 views and counting. Like every day somebody new watches that video, so I feel that is a sign to go back into doing SFX video. I'm just going to show you all the home tools that I'm going to be using, and you can recreate yours as well. So for that last injury, I created it on one side of my face, of my cheek, but for this one I'm thinking of doing it somewhere here or around my mouth. So yeah, I'm done applying it. I'm just going to allow it set. So right now I'm just going to check if it's dried, if I can start putting things. It's not yet dried because yeah, it still feels whatever, so let me wait a bit. Okay, so this is dried now. As you can see, it's a bit okay now for me to apply something on it. So I'm just going to go in with my concealer. So it's meant to be the same shade with my face, so I'll be using this one because I believe this is my shade now, or maybe I'm darker, I don't even know which one is this. So yeah, so can you see this is a very simple bun effect. Hope it's showing. And as usual, my mirror is up there, that's why I keep looking up there. I think this is like very straightforward, and I don't even need to do much again for the injury. Just look at that, look at that, look at that, look at that. So now that I'm done with that, I am going to be doing, oh this is recording, I'm going to be doing the edges just so it looks more natural. So I'm just going to be adding a bit of redness to some parts. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do is to try to make a cut in the middle. I have a blade here. I'm worried about this blade though, because I don't know how deep this is. No, this is dangerous. This is dangerous. Let me use something else. This is less sharp. Yeah, so I'm going to okay, does this look disgusting? Yeah, it does look disgusting. Okay, so I'm just going to stop here because I don't like disgusting things. Try to be creative and do something in the middle. So let's go in with this red lipstick. So I'm just going to blend that out a bit. Generations, generation, they keep praising you. You know it's what you're right. And I ask the Lord, what if it's you? Okay, so I'm going to go in with a glossy one.
Yeah, I think I'm going to stop here because, yeah, this is more than enough, I would say. So I created this in like how many minutes? I would say less than 30 minutes, yeah. So, I'm just trying to take a picture. Okay, so what is left is just this edge to make it look more realistic. Yeah, I think it's just that. And I believe it.
Okay, so for all of you that have been asking me for tutorials, if this video does well, then definitely I would come back fully. If it doesn't, then I have to move to my other niche. I have so many niches. Is that correct? Niches. I have so many niche, and yeah, so I'm just going to move to those ones. But so far, look at this. Like, it's such a... I'm gonna drag it like... Ooh. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in another video. Peace out. So I'm just taking an up-close video of what this looks like. So yeah.